The IFP in the province of KwaZulu-Natal in particular, would you have any issues working with the newly formed UMongameli party if the numbers dictate that you will not win outright? And then the question to Mr. Ntuli is, what is your main priority as this newly announced premier candidate of KwaZulu-Natal? I know you won't be able to outline everything, but what is it that you say as you enter into office you want to achieve? Yes.
Thanks, Mr. Makanya. Another hand, we'll take 3 hands and then we'll take responses. Right, Mr. President, I'll hand over to you on that question, and then we'll come to
Thank you very much, Makanya, for the question. First, the IFP welcome the arrival of the MK party, and we believe in competitive spirit to ensure democracy prevails. And we wish the MK well, like many new parties that are going to be coming forward and others that have come forward. The IFP has always believed working together with people we share common values and principles. We haven't yet seen in written form what are the values and principles of the MK party. Should their values and principles do not conflict with the IFP values, we will have no reason to work with them as we work with many other political parties in South Africa.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. Premier, your first priority, main priority?
Well, my main priority is the priority or priorities of the people of KwaZulu-Natal. Service delivery.
You guys want the manifesto? No. 10 March, guys, 10 March. But I do think that the Premier outlined in his remarks the issues which are of priority to him and which are on his radar.